Hi, there has a Bosch dishwasher with the rinse aid and check water LEDs flashing. Have cleared filter, replaced rinse aid, still no joy.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
About 5 years old. Model is SBV 691000.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it can be done by me, yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that's the fault.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. What actually happens when you try and use the dishwasher? Is the drain pump just running all the time? Or does it start to fill with water and then stops with the check water light flashing?
Dishwasher won't allow for any of the cycle information to be entered. Just has the flashing rinse aid and check water LEDs. The drain pump is not, and no water fills have disconnected and cleaned, not blocked anyway. The water filter on the supply hose checked also for kinks in the hose.
Okay, strange. As for a check water light fault, it should have done one of the above. Can you double check the model number please, as it doesn't seem right as the model details are not coming up, thanks.
SBV 69T000/28 FD 9001.
Got it now, thanks. If you press and hold the start button for 5 seconds, this should reset the control unit. If it does, then start a cycle and see what happens from there. See if it starts to fill and then the check water light comes on. Let me know what happens.
Tried that a few times, as well as disconnecting from power. The flashing comes back after the reset.
Okay, the most common things to cause the check water light is either water is in the base activating the flood switch or the flow sensor is faulty, bad wiring connection. First thing to try is pull the dishwasher out and lie it on its back. See if any water comes out from the base. If so, stand it upright and retry it and see what happens from there. But if there is no water in there, then you need to remove the top and the left-hand side panel. There you will see the plastic filling tank. In there towards the bottom left-hand side is the flow sensor. It's a small circuit board. Open the cover on there and remove the wiring block and refit it a few times. Then turn it back on and see how it goes from there. If that works, then see how it goes from there. But if it's still the same, then it's possibly the flow sensor itself at fault. So check them out if you can, as they are the most common causes for this fault here.
Okay, we'll try that in the morning. Cheers.
No worries, you're welcome. Hi, I see the question is still open here. Do you still need help on this? If so, then just get back to me. If not, then if you could remember to click the star ratings at the top of the page, that would be great. Many thanks.
Required a tech and a power supply module and/or board to fix due to a communication error between the two apparently.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.